have a plan for sure. Know where you're going, where your gas stops are. You'd be surprised how many things you'll come across that you think may be open that are closed for the day.
Si tu voulais, tu changerais pour moi tes petites habitudes.
Things I always pack for a road trip, no matter how small or big. Cash for sure. You never know when it's cash only at 90% of the places we go out here.
Always bring clears. You never know when maybe your ride goes a little longer than expected and you don't want to be caught in the dark.
A porter or some kind of multi-tool to change out your visor in case it gets dark too fast. You need to put your clear on.
And then the fifth thing I would bring is kind of just like curiosity.
And then leave some room to wing it, leave some room for adventure, leave some room to pull over and check something out that you normally wouldn't. And that's, I'd say, 99% of the fun.